Install 4 AA batteries. Lift the presser foot with the presser foot lever. Turn the hand wheel in the direction indicated by the arrows to raise the needle. Place your material under the presser foot and lower the presser foot lever. Turn the hand wheel in the direction indicated by the arrows to sew a few stitches manually. Press the on-off button until it's flush with the machine to start sewing. Press the on-off button so it extends out to turn off your machine. Gently pull the fabric away from the sewing machine, keeping your thumb over the last stitch to keep it from unraveling. Squeeze the sides of the protective needle cover to remove it. Pull the spool spindle upward until fully extended, then place a spool of thread on the spool spindle. Pull the thread downward and insert through the first thread guide, then over the tension dial. Insert thread through the second thread guide, through the take-up lever, then pull downward into the third and fourth thread guides. Gently squeeze the wires so it's easier to push the threader through the needle. Use the needle threader to pull the thread through the needle from left to right. Remove the bobbin compartment cover, place your bobbin into the bobbin holder, and pull about 10 inches of thread out. Pull the thread toward the back of the machine so it rests in the black indentation inside the bobbin holder. Turn the hand wheel towards you so the needle goes all the way down and picks up the thread. Keep turning until the needle comes up again, then stop. Pull the threads away from you, laying them under the presser foot. How to thread your sewing machine using the side bobbin. Pull the bobbin spindle out from the machine. Make sure not to lose the spring. Place threaded bobbin on top of the bobbin spindle, then place the spring on top. Firmly press the bobbin spindle with the threaded bobbin and spring back into the bobbin holder, spring side first. Thread the sewing machine using the side bobbin. Replacing the needle. Turn the hand wheel away from you to raise the needle to its highest position. Loosen the needle clamp screw by turning it towards you. Pull the needle down and away from the needle clamp. Place the new needle, flat side facing in, against the needle clamp. Hold the needle in place and tighten the needle clamp screw.